Mabuhay! The Department of Transportation is institutionalizing a faster, convenient, and more efficient contact tracing method in all airports in the Philippines. Airports, as you know, are converging points where the COVID-19 virus could be easily transmitted if safety protocols are not strictly practiced by users. In the interest of safety, beginning November 28 of this year, all users of the NAIA terminals are mandated to register using the TRAZE Contact Tracing Application. TRAZE is a unified contact tracing phone application that automates contact tracing by using a quick response code. This application is downloadable from the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, Samsung Galaxy Store, Huawei App Gallery, Oppo App Market, and Vivo App Store. Once the TRAZE app is ready, key in all the information being asked for. The details you will provide are crucial to any future need to reach you for contact tracing purposes, so please do not leave any field open. We assure you that all the information you have given will be safe with us and will be used only for the intended purpose. Voila! Now you are registered. Please open the app and click on the TRAZE QR code button to scan the unique codes posted in conspicuous areas of the terminal. Your data will be automatically saved in your TRAZE history, which you can check anytime you want. For passengers who do not have mobile phones or whose phones are not QR scan capable, please approach the nearest help desk where you can obtain a printed QR code for your use. There will be people to assist you through the process. To register other individuals, you may go to your profile and look for the plus sign button at the bottom of the page. Scanning is mandated from each individual who passed through the NAIA Airport terminal. For departure, scanning starts at the entrance, for arrivals, at the arrival gates. For passengers, please scan the QR codes assigned to the different areas as you go through your pre-departure or arrival formalities. Each airport taxi has its own code, and it will also be inputted in your travel history. Congratulations! You have successfully registered in the TRAZE Contact Tracing App. Safe travels!